you are here.
Yekeh Kolubah, welcome to the media.
So I think the ruling was reserved for today. So we are here to listen to the ruling. But we expect that the police, the police will also put in the charge sheet the director of police to come to tell us. You know, when the place got a fire, the majority black were using that place. Who took the speaker's chair, who took the deputy speaker's chair, and all the chairs that were being used by them. Where is it? Who took them away before the building got burned? Where is it? We want to know. Have they brought those people to court that took away what was the intent of taking the deputy speaker chair, the speaker chair, and no chairs that were being used by the majority black? What was the intent? Who took them away? So to tell you that it was planned for that place to be burned by Joseph Walker and his people. So
that's great clarity you were making yesterday. I know yesterday about this audio. Can you tell us exactly what were you saying? Because
if this audio was the audio that was being used, that I'm involved with when we met with Oforidia and General what his name, then that audio, that General Gara, then that audio is an audio that is about protecting us, is not about pointing the place. But the main thing here is that who took the chairs before the play got burned? Those chairs that were being used by Rachel Kun and his people, by those juntas. Those chairs. Who took those chairs? Who took the junta speaker chair? Who took deputy speaker Thomas Fala chair? Who took them? And the police said, Joseph Walker said that they will not allow people to bring the Capitol building or vandalize the Capitol building. The director of police said anything that is going on that will cause chaos, they will protect it and they will protect the scene. The scene was being protected. The scene was being protected by the scene was being protected by the director of police. So who bring the place? Where were they when the place was?
So the director of police will be going for questions to the fire incident. What are you saying?
Bossman, you have to be rational when you are thinking. You understand what I'm saying? That the chairs were taken away from there and the place got burned. What was the intent of the chair being taken away from there? What was the intent? Can they explain to the investigation or to the investigating team what was the intent? And where were the police when the place got burned? You want to burn somewhere, then you go put gas and take the container away. Who finds nothing there? We saw the container outside. After I'm going to leave the container there so it can inflame the fire. But instead, they waste the gas, they took container from the employer outside. Look, Joseph Walker need to stop joking. Joseph Walker will not succeed. Joseph Walker government cannot succeed.
Police expected to invite you next week to explain to you about this audio.
My man, the police can only invite me when they invite Joseph Walker. Because Joseph Walker gave instruction for the place to be burned.
Were you on the police invitation?
On the police invitation.
So give more clarity about the audio. Why you
my man, when they say for me the audio, if that the audio that I know, if that the audio when Abu called me, if the reason why Abu called me for us to be protected, if that's the audio, they are not about the audio.
You were talking about the NSA. I mean,
you haven't known the type of audio and you are just taking the
Bossman, the audio that brought Oforidia and Gerard Garan, if that the audio, they are not about it.
Then what do you bring in NSA into? Because I listen to you talk about
because Oforidia work with NSA, Gerard Garan work with NSA.
So does that mean that audio?
My man, I met with those people met me and we drove to my base. I am telling you, I met with them. They met me and we drove to my base.
A few months ago, you wrote a shite buried president, I think, movement against President Walker presidency. Today, you're wearing Walker.
My man, my t-shirt will always change based on the prevailing situation. My t-shirt will change. My teacher had